Hi everyone, my name is Jo and welcome to Average Jo Makeup. For this video, I'm going to show you how I did these brows. I will still do the rest of my makeup on camera, but it will be on fast motion and the focus of this video will be on my eyebrows. Before we begin the video, I would just like to clearly state that I am not a professional makeup artist. Everything I show in my videos is just how I do my own makeup. All the tricks, tips, and techniques that I will be sharing work for me, but it might not work for everyone else. Last but not the least, makeup is an art and can be expressed however you please. If you want to know how I did these brows, then keep on watching. So I will have wet wipes, the brushes that I use for my eyebrows, and I have this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in ash brown. So first I'm going to use a spoolie brush to brush my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush both of my eyebrows up. By doing this, you can see the natural outline of your eyebrow. So for me, I'm just going to follow that, the natural outline of my eyebrow. This is because when you brush it up, you can see the root or where the hair, the brow hair, grows. And I'm just going to follow that. Now with my brush, this brush is a flat brush. So to make sure that the tip is sharp, I'm going to use the wet wipes to pinch it to make sure that it's sharp and it will make it easier to draw my eyebrows. So I'm going to dip my brush in the pomade make sure that the product is only at the tips. So I'm just going to start right here, not here but here, and I'm going to make small strokes. And I'm just going to do the same thing for my other brow. Now you're basically going to do the same thing but on the upper outline. So first you're going to use a spoolie brush and then brush it down. And it's just the same concept. You're going to outline your eyebrows just by following the natural shape of your brows. So once again, I'm starting at the middle of my brow, not in front, and I'm just going to make strokes going down to make it look more natural. I'm just going to do the same on the other brow. Now I'm just going to look at it and see if there are some spots that are missing, like this one. So I'm going to dip back in my pomade and I'm just going to fill that in. So now with whatever product is left in my brush, I'm just going to use that to shade the front part of my eyebrow, so I'm sure that it's not going to be too dark. Now with my spoolie brush, I'm just going to brush the brow hairs where I want them. You can also use this step or this brush to blend the product. I'm going to use a highlighter to highlight my brow bone. And there you go. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. So here's the final look. I'm going to insert some photos, some close-up photos. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Average Joe Makeup. If you have any comments, feedback, questions and suggestions, or if this video helped you, then let me know in the comment section or tweet me so I can finally use my Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!